Hey my friends, how you doing? I wanted to explain a little bit about what I created here. This is my Lego clock. What I basically did was took a standard base plate and I drilled a hole in it, as you can see here in the pictures. And then I bought this very cheap, just a clock kit that gives you the hands and the dials, and then on the back has a place for a battery to go through. What I had to do and come up with was a way to design the clock to be able to show the hours and minutes, but doing it in a way that didn't come out too much off the board, because these hands would get stuck. And so I went with the smooth tiles, and I went with these white and blue, and I started coming up with different designs. My first design was to do where it was 12 to have 12 blue tiles, and then one blue tile for one, two blue tiles for two, and so on. It just didn't look good, and there wasn't any mathematical way to actually make it look good, because what started to happen was the numbers started to connect together. So I went a different route, and I came up with this design pattern. Now probably right away you saw it, and when I was designing it I thought I was being really clever in the ways of showcasing the hours, and really all I did was create a hashtag, the pound sign, which has me thinking about, are there mathematical correlations with time and the symbol and everything else? I don't know, but the hashtag, the pound sign here, actually works for the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, 10, 11, all the way around, and works really well. And so this took, even though it's not a big deal, it just took some serious critical thinking, getting the clock dialed in, making sure that it worked, make sure there was no gaps or slivers, and then secondly, make sure that it looked good. So this was my first attempt. It was a little tough to drill into a base plate, but I think the end result was well worth it, and it looks pretty sharp on my tool wall here as I continue to try to build out my tool wall for my workshop. So just wanted to share, and you can see the pictures and designs, and I will show how I did it. Pretty straightforward. So I hope it inspires. Maybe you'll make one, and if so, I'd love to see how you design it. And if you know of any other cool designs, let me know. I have lots of other Lego pieces. I could always take these off and put something new up. Take care.